For over 30 years, FiberTite, the renowned single-ply roofing membrane, has brought operational security for the world's most powerful brands. Our founder, Norm Seaman, a business visionary and a polymer industry pioneer, started the modern textile company in 1949 in Canal Fulton, Ohio. This eventually became Seaman Corporation, which has earned a reputation for manufacturing high-performance coated fabric solutions for a variety of markets, including geomembrane containment systems, architectural structures, truck tarps, recreational products, and military fuel tanks. The early formulations and coatings that were engineered by then Vice President of Research and Development, Balavan Kadaraman, ultimately led to the development of FiberTite in 1979 as a superior alternative in the emerging single-ply roofing market. Norm Seaman's entrepreneurial spirit has continued onward through his son, our chairman, Richard Seaman. That unity of purpose and single-mindedness has been an inspiration to countless Seaman associates over 70 years, having extended through 3 generations of family leadership today.
The first FiberTite roof I put on was 1989. It's still on, so I don't know when this roof will fail, but I know it's got at least 29 years in it.
FiberTite provides operational security for the world's most powerful brands. What's that mean, really? When I break down that statement, it really is where we bring value. We supply a roofing membrane of the highest quality. There's nothing like it in the world. However, what it really does is provide key customers in critical facilities with the security of knowing that the roof system they employ with FiberTite is not going to breach the security of that system and what resides underneath that roof.
Building owners look to us as the single source of truth of what's going up on that roof. And so every element of that roof, in terms of the products, how the product's being installed, the arrival of those products, they look to us as being the sole responsible party to making sure that is done effectively, efficiently, and done in a way that provides them the operational security that they so need, which is why they selected us in the first place.
There are 2 things that make FiberTite different from what I've seen. It's the fabric and it's the chemistry. So a lot of the other products out on the market try to use a value engineered, as they would call it, a scrim, where we are basing all of our technology off of the DNA that we've inherited from Seaman Corporation's other products, where we have a lot of strength packed into that fabric. The other part of it is the chemistry, and when we locked in on that chemistry, that's what really sets us apart, is our ability to perform over those long periods of time where other membranes just can't stand up.
Much like the resilience of FiberTite's product longevity, our differentiating value has endured over decades through intellectual property linked to the unique formulations of these chemistries. Formulations that, to this day, are unmatched by any other material in the single-ply roofing market.
We're really proud to call a lot of the world's most powerful brands not just customers, but partners with us as well, like those in the financial services industry, those in the data center industry, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, automotive companies, etc. And we have numerous customers within those segments around the world that trust FiberTite to provide that level of security.
If a building owner is constantly aware of their roof, it's probably because it's a problem. So for our value to a customer is, we not only have a stellar product, we will also assist in the design part of it to make sure that the roof system that you're installing is going to last for its entire service life.
When it comes to data centers, for instance, I always remind everybody that their bank accounts and their wife's photos and their husband's photos are in those data centers. I also talk about things like airports, where we invest dollars as taxpayers, that's going to be there for a long time. It's going to operate well for all of us.
For our FiberTite business, we view globalization as not just an opportunity to expand our reach, but really to help support our customers, specifically multinational customers that we do business with in the United States that want to expand their operations around the globe.
And we have people that are ready, willing, and able to travel the globe to help our installers, as well as those customers, feel really reassured in what they're installing.
Technical support in a globalization of a business is a real challenge, and we've got a couple of ways we're going after that. We've actually added bench strength to our internal technical team, that we have more people to go out into the field now and support them physically, be on the roof, be with them when they're training, be there when they're assimilating a whole new work team that has never put a FiberTite roof on before. So we don't take anything for granted. And I must say I'm really proud of the team, because they've even overcome language barrier challenges to find the international language of roofing standards, which they've been able to do.
Building owners find peace of mind, I think, in knowing that a technical department have been on the site. They know that we're looking out for their best interest to make sure that we're meeting their expectations.
You know, in the end, it's our responsibility to make sure that that experience is effortless for the customer, whether they're on the roof deck or they're placing orders, you know, or in any of our dealings with our customers. We really need to have that ambition of being effortless in the experience for them.
The value of FiberTite has been the people. Without the people in the knitting mill, the coating plants, the tech service, the sales, it's just a membrane. So it takes that alliance of people that caring to get it put in place correct and perform.
Our technical representatives are probably revered as the most talented, knowledgeable group of people in the industry. They are true problem solvers on a daily basis, go the extra mile to help a contractor get things done.
I take it very seriously in my role in the company to want to nurture and cultivate the relationships that will not only serve us and our customers well today, but well into the future, so that future generations within the Seaman Corporation will be proud to call this place home. In the spirit of innovation and growth, we're also evolving though. So we have great new talent coming in, and skill sets and subject matter expertise from people that really are going to bring a lot more value to our customers.
After over 30 years of producing resilient roof systems all over the world, a grateful tip of the hat to those who brought us here and those who will take us into the future to continue the legacy of the Seaman Corporation, as we at FiberTite provide operational security for the world's most powerful brands.